Bullish Dogelon Mars, Elon, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.0000088660678 and $0.0000002 by 2030. Market investigators accept Elon could reach $0.0000068958305 by 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000000157618898. Dogelon Mars, Elon, presentation. Dogelon Mars, Elon, is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers portray it as a fair widespread money for individuals and an interplanetary cash utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital currency yet, in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Amusingly, you can get them with Ethereum, ETH. Despite the fact that this cryptographic money has a huge and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This cryptographic money guide will reveal all that you want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its highlights. In any case, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based environment used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading products, making installments, and remunerating donors. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. Be that as it may, there's no data accessible about the symbolics maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its central goal and targets. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars environment. Dogelon Mars digital money is known as Elon, and it is an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called Elon, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Poloniex offers the Elon USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars cryptographic money has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars Elon expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a monstrous return. The organization then, at that point, rose to the 150th situation concerning market capitalization. There was no token pre-sale in light of the fact that it is a fair widespread digital currency. Subsequent to sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the leftover portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as Elon and ETH matches, which will remain for eternity. They likewise put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then consumed, annihilated, the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just build over the long haul. Dogelon Mars is as of now worth $0.0000001970237 United States dollars. Elon has moved 2.31% as of now with an exchanging volume of $21,036,065. Dogelon Mars is as of now positioned 836 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $108,294,640 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars, Elon, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Dogelon Mars, Elon, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Elon. The Elon cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.000000295535559. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.0000002758332 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Elon is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000000236428847. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogelon Mars Elon cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Elon will before long outperform $0.0000049255932. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Elon's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Elon will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000000394044746 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.0000004334522. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value forecast 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.0000006895830 and Elon might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Elon is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.000000630475993 and a low of $0.000000591071118 in 2025. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2026, assuming that Dogelon Mars effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Elon coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Elon will be green in 2026. The Elon is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.0000008866068, with a base cost of $0.000000788094991 and a typical cost of $0.000000827499666. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2027, after some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Elon cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.0000001 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.000000985118664 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Elon has a most extreme value worth of $0.0000001. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value forecast 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.0000001. In the event that Elon figures out how to break the safe level in